Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to repost Instagram story by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and after that you just need to find either someone mentioned you in their Instagram story or not. So you just need to find them into your inboxes right here. So you just need to go click it, and when someone mentioned you on Instagram, so you just need to go click this part. And after that you just need to go click add to your story right here, and you can like adjusting the size. Either you want to do it this way, or you can also fulfilling the screen with all of the whole picture that someone takes you on their Instagram. And after that you can also add several stickers by going this part and just go into the chief, find what stickers that you want to add, and after you're done you just need to go click add to your story. And now you already got the story that you mentioned from reposted into your Instagram story. So that's the way, guys, how to repost Instagram by iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, and I'll see you for the next video. Thank you for watching.